From the CISO series, it's Cybersecurity Headlines.
These are the cybersecurity headlines for Tuesday, October 7th, 2025. I'm Lauren Verno, and I'm officially back. Unity vulnerability puts popular games at risk. Gotta catch them all. Vulnerabilities, that is. Unity built games like Pokemon Go and Genshin Impact are affected by a high-severity bug that could let attackers execute code through affected apps on Android, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Microsoft and Steam are taking action with Microsoft flagging potentially vulnerable apps and games, while Steam blocks launches containing risky command line parameters. Unity has patched the flaw and urges developers to update editors or replace runtime files in existing games to keep players safe. Oracle Zero-Day Exploit patched. This is an update to a story we first brought to you last week. The Clop ransomware group is now the confirmed hackers behind a recently exploited zero-day vulnerability in Oracle's e-business suite, or EBS, stealing data and sending extortion emails. The flaw allows remote code execution on EBS versions 12.2.3 through 0.14 and carries a critical severity rating of 9.8. Oracle has since released patches and shared indicators of compromise, but security experts warn other threat actors could exploit the same vulnerability. This campaign follows a pattern seen in recent Clop attacks on Clio, MoveIt, and Fortra products. Third-party breach claims Discord user info. A compromised support vendor is to blame for a data breach at the popular social platform Discord. The incident only impacts users who contacted Discord's support or trust and safety teams, exposing personal information including names, emails, IP addresses, billing details, and government ID images submitted for age verification appeals. Now, Discord says it has revoked the vendor's access, but did not name which provider was involved. The company is actively notifying affected users, but did not disclose how many were impacted. Critical MFT flaw exploited. The cybercrime group Storm 1175 has been exploiting a critical Go Anywhere MFT vulnerability in Medusa ransomware attacks for the past month. Now, Microsoft reports that the flaw allows remote command execution without user interaction, enabling lateral movement, file exfiltration, and ransomware deployment. Microsoft and Fortra are urging admins to patch immediately and inspect logs for signs of compromise, while the Shadow Server Foundation has already tracked over 500 exposed instances online, though it's unclear how many of those have already been patched. Huge thanks to today's episode sponsor, ThreatLocker. Cybercriminals don't knock. They sneak in through cracks other tools miss. That's why organizations are turning to ThreatLocker. As a zero-trust endpoint protection platform, ThreatLocker puts you back in control, blocking what doesn't belong and stopping attacks before they spread. Zero-trust security starts here with ThreatLocker. And a quick reminder for fans of the CISO series and New York City-based security professionals. You're all welcome to join us for a fun networking event in New York City on October 21st, 2025 at 5:30 p.m. It's free, yes, free. So head on over to the events page at CISOseries.com to register. Malware campaign spreads via WhatsApp. Hackers are using WhatsApp to spread a new malware targeting government agencies and businesses, primarily in Brazil. The malware arrives in phishing messages, disguised as receipts or forms, and hijacks WhatsApp Web to automatically send itself to all contacts, rapidly propagating. Researchers say it mainly spreads quickly rather than stealing data or encrypting files, though related payloads can steal banking credentials. Crowdsourced ransomware campaign. Scattered Lapsus Hunters is letting anyone do their dirty work. The crime group has been offering $10 in Bitcoin to anyone willing to hound executives at companies it claims to have breached. The group, which recently claimed to be retiring, posted instructions on Telegram and a new data leak site listing 39 alleged victims, mostly linked to Salesforce integrations. Followers are urged to email executives until they pay, with higher rewards for using personal accounts or doing a, quote, an exceptionally well job. Chinese hackers turn SEO fraud into a global hustle. A new Chinese-speaking cybercrime group called UAT 8099 has been caught running a global search engine optimization ring, or SEO, fraud ring using compromised Microsoft IIS servers. The hackers target systems across India, Thailand, Vietnam, Canada, and Brazil, hitting everything from universities to telecoms. Researchers say the group uses tools like Cobalt Strike and bad IIS malware to hijack search results and steal credentials, all while locking out rival attackers. Win big with Wiz. Cloud security giant Wiz is offering $4.5 million in its new bug bounty contest, ZeroDay.Cloud. Participants will demonstrate exploits against widely used cloud software, live at Black Hat Europe in London this December. Top prizes reach $300,000 for web server exploits. With AI, containers, databases, and DevOps platforms also in play. Looking to apply? We've got that link in the show notes. Just head on over to thecisoseries.com. No CISO cares about a vendor's technical innovation for its own sake. They care about how the vendor's solution can help solve their problems. It's a simple concept, yet so many vendors miss the mark when they make their pitch. We dig into why on the latest episode of the CISO Series podcast. Look for the episode. Don't worry, we'll get to solving your problem on slide 87. And if you've made cybersecurity headlines part of your morning routine, remember to share it with a friend or coworker. We'd really appreciate it. I'm Lauren Verno, reporting for the CISO Series.
Cybersecurity headlines are available every weekday. Head to CISOseries.com for the full stories behind the headlines.